Hey, it's Darren. Designing a workshop, especially a Lego Serious Play workshop, is a lot like a Lego tower. Common activity in Lego Serious Play, one of the first things, build a tower. If it's a tower to you, it's a tower to us, right? So it's almost like this, where you might have a number of elements that make up your workshop, just like a number of blocks make up this tower. Or maybe we'll do this first little thing for 5 minutes. Introduce myself. We'll do this thing for 10 minutes. The group gets to introduce themselves through maybe a little build they do. And it keeps going, right? And our tower is made up of blocks, and our workshop is also made up of blocks or activities. And each one of those has a time involved. So I've got a little tool that I've been building. This is probably the 5th iteration of it that you're seeing right now, so this will keep changing. But it's about planning your Lego Serious Play session. And there's a timer too, because the time is a big piece. Each block has a time. So when you go to this, currently I have the phase name. I'm going to say introduce, intro Darren, intro me. That's going to be 5 minutes. And the goal is share my story. All right, so I might save this phase. And there you go. It goes in there, right? And let's say I want to drag and drop other things. I'm going to find maybe a template. So this is what I like. These are common kind of applications, of Lego Serious Play for workshops. Maybe you do a warm-up session. You do some kind of a skill building. You help people in a team maybe create a vision or create a strategy. So these are some common examples. So, you can kind of, take a look at this and click on that and move that in there. And here are some activities that I might be able to do. And I can get rid of them if I want to, right? Or I like to click this eye. So it helps me to learn about common Lego Serious Play activities. So I might click the eye, and it's about making a metaphor, right? So I'm learning about how to facilitate that. So that's the facilitation guide. So this is a tool that you can use to help you figure out what could your workshop be. What are the activities you might do in your workshop? And then there's a timer that goes with this, right? So when you run it, you hit play, right? And it times, and we're on the introduction right now. So this is the kind of style that I like in a workshop is almost, I might use a timer a lot. Like this is a 10-minute long activity. Let's do the timer. You have 5 minutes to do this. You have 1 minute to make a tower. If it's a tower to you, it's a tower to us, right? Something like that. So give this tool a try. And what I like about it is it might not only help you plan a Lego Serious Play session, but it might really help you understand, especially if you're newer to program design or facilitation, how do you design a session? It's made up of blocks, right? And each one of those blocks might have a time, and then there's a larger purpose that you're designing, you're building towards.